Right, I slept here, no problems. And it's a big shopping district. This area is just quiet. Well, it's got low activity, but it's noisy from some highway off in a not too far distance. I just hung out here. It's almost 8 o'clock and Target opens at 8. I didn't expect to that I'd be going to Target this morning, but since it's almost 8, I'll do it. I just got comfortable here. I did a little exercise at 5:30 a.m. Cooked, sat around. So because it was so relaxing, I waited till 8, and yeah, I'll just drive over to the Target because it's a bit of a walk, too far of a walk, and it's heading in the direction I want to go because I want to go to the library today. Yeah, this morning at 5:30 I watched a guy dump about 10 bags of trash. That was sneaky. I mean, I dump trash too. Out of my car, I dump trash. But it's not, I mean, it's not exactly like household trash. I spread my trash out across a lot wider area. Like, I got a couple of things I want to dump. All right, Pleasant Prairie. So I want to just take off. I've been sitting here for a minute too long in Pleasant Prairie. No matter where I go, if I don't find shade, it don't matter. It don't matter where I park. If I don't find shade, it just doesn't matter. It's gonna be 80 today. It's gonna be very hot. I'm feeling it. It's that increase in heat that's stressful too. Top of everything else. Looks like I gotta take a left. Okay. Oh, whoa. Look out. We're still on private property. Okay. Yeah, I want to go to a library east of here, further into
Turn right on
the great
Street.
City of Do Not Enter. Oh. Waukesha?
Turn right at the stop sign.
Hot day today in Waukesha. You know, there seems to be a higher ratio of healthier looking people, healthier, more attractive looking women around here. Something else. Stark contrast. Oh my god. Oh, I better hold off. That person was barreling down a little too hard for me. Okay. Yeah, library's open on a Saturday.
75th Street.
See how things feel, but it's gonna be hot. It's gonna feel hot. And it's hard for me to deal with. Yeah! Those motorcycles, they love to blast their music and they hate mufflers. Oh man, I gotta take it easy on the gas. Look at this, I gotta stop again. We got 3 lanes of traffic, so it's extremely busy. Going into the city, so yeah, if there's 3 lanes this far back, it's just gonna get busier. Another stop. I get to listen to that awesome music. All right, this might be a mistake. Now I'm looking at 4 lanes of traffic. Well, I guess I don't want to mess around too much in this area. There's too much going on. I was really curious of the shooting with the Rittenhouse shooting. I'd like to visit that area, see if they have any memorials set up. The city of Kenosha written on the water tower. Yeah, it's got the big city activity going. I could see how they could get a big protest going in a city like this. People could rush in with the 4 lanes of traffic going straight to that area. I got a 1.5 miles, 700 elevation, 40 road. Oh, now we're down to 3 lanes. Yeah, I'm thinking I probably shouldn't be buying vinegar out of plastic containers. I'm gonna try the gallon one, but I think I'm gonna just need to pay the money for the glass containers. Wow, I got a slow camera. These guys cut in front of me just as the lanes are squeezing together. 4 people in that car getting squeezed. Now we're down to 2 lanes. We were at 4. So it's just back and forth. No train horn. How did they pull that off? They pulled off a no train horn. They might look at the number of accidents. If I hear a train horn, I think I can assume that there's a lot of accidents and that the people are stupid in that local region. If they got signs that say no train horn, there might be a good sign that there's just no accidents because people are actually paying attention. You know, that gives me some confidence. When I see no train horn, that gives me a little confidence that the area might be better. Kenosha, 99,000 people. Wow. That's pretty big. Then I'm entering that 99,000.
Then keep right to 75th Street.
I'm entering the 99,000. So now is when it begins. I was outside of the 99,000 and it was pretty darn busy. So they like to riot in Kenosha. They like to have protests for George Floyd or whatever, and then shoot and then kill each other. And people are attracted to Kenosha from outside. From, you know, the smaller town folks are attracted to the bigger city, the big exciting city of Kenosha. Oh, here? Wow. All right. Oof. Okay. Now I'm writing, and what does that say? This area protected by Neighborhood Watch, and they got a picture of a guy going through a window. I've never seen a picture like that. He's got one leg in the window and 2 hands on the frame of the window. Like, he looks like he's safely entering. But yeah, they got a different picture for Neighborhood Watches. Okay, the library's on my left. All right. And I'm going through a neighborhood to get there. Thanks to Garmin. Yeah! There's another picture. Wow, they're putting a lot of these pictures of the Neighborhood Watches. Every block has got one. This one looks older, actually. Sun beaten. The red is not showing up as well. So don't go through the windows, because they're watching you go through the windows. It was kind of hard to make out what that picture was. But it's kind of hard to make out the original pictures anyway. Okay, yeah, the library is next to a park, so I was thinking I'll focus on the park. It doesn't quite feel like a ghetto here, so putting my guard down. I think I could turn in here for the library. Okay, what do we got? No overnight parking. Simple as that. Alright, doesn't say if this is a park, but it looks like one. I don't think I want to be parking along the edge. These people have convinced me not to now. No skateboarding.
Turn right.
Okay.
Then take the first left.
No. Alright. Oh, I want the second space. Oh, how busy is it gonna get? Kenosha, Wisconsin. Alright, my car is having some difficulties. The dashboard just completely died on me. I unplugged. The solution was just simply unplug the battery for a few minutes.
Turn right on 38th Avenue.
And then
take the first left.
It starts working again. There's some kind of weird short that the solution has been to just unplug the battery and then plug it back in. I just
79th Street. Then take the first right.
I only unhooked one cable from that one terminal, and that was it. And now it's working. Is it gonna, like, is that something I'm gonna have to
39th Avenue.
to do more often or something? It's like, what a strange circumstance. I don't know exactly what happened. I pressed the button in case that on the passenger side, in case that was it, the emergency button thing. Ooh,
In 2 miles. Turn left on 52nd Street.
had a little difficulty getting the gear on second gear. It felt like it was just a little loose on my part, a little bit. There's so many things with this car. I thought I was going to be stranded. I thought that was it, but it just, and the reset isn't exactly unplugging the dashboard fuse. That didn't help. The dashboard was really acting weird. I don't know what to think of it. Yeah, we'll just gotta keep fidgeting around. I mean, I was looking on. I had internet connection at the library there, where my car died temporarily, and so I did a little video watching. Started trying to learn about my car, but really it was just simply unplugging the battery, unplugging the whole system was the solution for this time. Just so strange. So that doesn't really tell me anything. It's like, that's a weird solution. How often will I have to be doing that more often now? The wires are so crossed around here in this car. So yeah, I'm just going north to a park, the shoe, and then the Walmart's not far away. I don't know where the most ideal place to be stranded would be. The library would not be the most ideal. I think being a little closer to the Walmart would be nice for the Wi-Fi. That person's standing at the business holding a sign, not even standing on the street corner. So all I can do is just keep monitoring the situation. That was a surprise though. Just out of nowhere, the electrical system just goes bad like that. You know, in a lot of ways, it could be that because the doors, I'm not hearing the automatic locks fuse go off on me anymore, so I wonder if that could be an issue. When I smacked my car against the curb, I could have shook up some water, and that might have caused the water to splash up and make a short. I have no idea well, I do have an idea. It's the fuse for the door locks is behind all the whole fuse box on the passenger side, I believe. So I have no way to reach that. But it stopped going off crazy. It stopped going off on me. Okay. Can't really see. Got a right. All right.
1 miles. Turn right. Bay Road.
All right. Oh, we got flashing yellow. Okay, I thought I had to stop. The sun makes it difficult to see that it's flashing. All right. I mean, I don't know how I can optimize the car. It's just kind of, I have to just sit and wait and listen for problems more than I can just optimize things. Store closing. It was a hot one today. I don't know if temperature affected it much. The battery seems to be strong enough. It's not a power issue, it's a crossed wire issue in some way. I wish I could just remove, if I was electronically inclined, remove all the non-essential wires, and that way that I could narrow in, you know, only the essential wires, you know, for just the bare minimum. I don't need the wires for the speakers anymore. Those lights are flashing too. And it's 30, 35. I can barely see.
Bay Road.
Cars are catching up with me pretty quickly. I know where I want to go. It's 35? Okay. Oh, yeah, okay. Green Bay Road. Ooh. Oh, things moving. Things shifting. I know I need to get into the left lane. There's 3 freaking lanes. And I got
43rd Street, then take the first right.
yeah, it's some kind of park at this cemetery. It looks interesting. And I could drive through it to get to the Walmarts. I don't need to get back on this road. And it's 45. I got a left. I don't want to go too fast. I got a car giving me a little bit of pressure. It's not this intersection. It's the next left now. Up here? It looks, okay.
43rd Street.
It looks like it's here. Look, oh my God, there's people here. Oh my God, what was that?
Turn right, then take the first left. Turn left.
They just all jump in their car when I arrive.
The destination on the left.
Yeah, I don't think they intended to just park here and hang out. How's my bicycle? Oh God, I had to fix that. That's still on at least. Yeah, I was thinking just I'd park here and wait till nighttime. Hope that the car starts. Oh, that's forward. Hope that this car starts again. A lot of housing around here though. I'm gonna just back up. Alright, I'm moving. I think I was just kind of stuck in a little spot. Felt like I was a little struggling, but I was kind of locked in. Jeez. I think I could take a left here. Going into the cemetery, I plotted it out. I walked around to get to the Walmart. I can go through the cemetery. Weather's cooled down nice. What does it say? 77? Oh, that scare though. Whew. That electrical scare. It does start this second time, no problems. So I just need to, I'd like to learn more about my electrical, because it's only going to get worse. So I want to figure out what wires are going where. I mean, a lot of wires I cannot see. I have no access to. I have to move things around. I wish I knew more about my air vents. I think my air vents might be covering some wires. I mean, the wires aren't impossible to reach. Just gotta figure it all out, look into it. Learning the fuse box, learning what fuses are not being used in the fuse box first can really help. I'd really like to pull those fuses that are not being used. Oh my god, somebody's catching up to me. Alright. But they're on like on bicycle? They're catching up fast. Are they gonna pass me or what? Alright, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling because this is a surprise. They got their brights on, taking their time. Alright, just joyriding with his girlfriend. It looks like she's got some nice legs, so I guess he wants to really impress her. Joyriding to the cemetery. What timing? Nobody's gone through the cemetery the whole time I've been here for the past hour. Suddenly I take off and then them guys catch up to me. Alright, this is a bit of a tricky turn. Alright, exiting the cemetery. This is a very busy road. Wow, I got 4 cars. 5, wow. I just only got to get in the left lane. Oh, they're turning anyway. Yeah, I only need to get up here. Okay. Ooh, now I gotta contend with the, oh, we gotta stop entirely. Oh, okay. Alright. I got a yellow, I just turned Popeyes. Okay, I can left into the Walmart. Into the sweet embraces of Walmart. There's a Sam's Club nearby. Subway. Yeah, I do want to be. Oh, somebody's right behind me. Nah, I really can't take a left. I think I want to go left. Alright, no overnight parking. Wonderful. I hope they're not too difficult about that. Oh, and then there's a side. I gotta think about where I want to park. I think I want... Oh, that's pickup. Oh my god. I think I just will choose this and hope for the best. And off. Oh, we're still running. Kenosha, Wisconsin. Kenosha, Wisconsin. Right, there was no overnight parking here, but I didn't get bothered. Doesn't They didn't enforce that it's no overnight, so I had a pretty decent sleep. I mean, there was music kind of blaring. The music volume wasn't too loud, so it was more tolerable than a lot of other live Walmarts. All right. Well, yeah, the car started up. I mean, it was just, I think hitting the car against the curb pretty hard caused some kind of shift in the electrical that
Turn right, then take the first right.
I needed to unplug the battery
Turn right on Brownback Boulevard, then keep left.
for a short time to fix. And it's what gets me is that, I mean, I hit a lot of bumps. That doesn't kill the electronics. But I bump against the curb and it gets killed. You know, as tempting as a cemetery is, I don't want to stop there. They'd have good shade for the day. Alright, I left on this main road, so okay, I get into the a turn lane.
Turn left.
Oh my god.
Bay Road.
Yeah, people are driving a little I got somebody right up behind me. It's a Sunday morning. Okay. Alright, I'll have a right.
Express Road.
Yeah, that was a guy that was right on me. Very aggressive. We're in a 3-lane, and this road is extremely busy. Very aggressive driving. I could understand why the insurance rates go up. As aggressive as people are on the road. $45, okay. Yeah, I just want to hang out at the park all day if it's possible. I'm hearing some sounds I don't like. It seems like it's coming from the bicycle rack. That's partly why that strap broke. It's because the strap was vibrating in the wind. Sounds like it's vibrating again. At 45, that'll vibrate more at higher speeds. 55 now, okay. It should hold up, but that's a noise. The pollinator patch program. Okay, yep, this is a road. I have it marked fairly accurately where I want to stop. Bump, okay, okay. Loose gravel. Nobody's coming up behind me yet. Yeah, it's some isolated woods next to a college. Lots of parking. There's significant parking lots. Yeah, there's a golf course. Oh, I see a playground. Okay. Nice shelter. I didn't really see any shelters on the map. Okay, this is a dog park.
Turn left.
There's several cars up ahead. Closed. They got a gate. Oh, somebody caught up with me. This is the beer garden. Literally parking for the beer garden.
Arriving at Pike River on the left.
Okay, there's a handicap spot. I like that. Is that a bathroom? I think I like to park next to the handicap spot. You know, this is the spot.